Fall asleep to the entire history of the oldest civilization. The story of Mesopotamia, often called the Cradle of Civilization, begins over 5,000 years ago in the fertile lands between the Tigris and Euphrates Rivers, where humanity first transformed from scattered farming communities into complex urban societies. It was here that kings ruled over city-states, gods were worshipped in grand temples, and trade connected distant parts of the ancient world. Yet Mesopotamia was also a land of constant struggle, plagued by wars, shifting powers, and the unpredictable floods of its rivers. From the Sumerians, who built the first cities, invented writing, and raised monumental ziggurats, to the Akkadians, Babylonians, and Assyrians, who forged vast empires, Mesopotamia was the birthplace of countless innovations: law codes, astronomy, mathematics, irrigation, and literature, like the Epic of Gilgamesh. In this episode, we explore over millennia, its civilizations rose and fell, leaving behind clay tablets and ruins that still whisper the dawn of human society.